Hello and welcome guys, welcome to Plutorials. My name is Keshav and today we're gonna learn how to create a beautiful disintegration effects inside After Effects and without using any plugins. And here's the twist, within 5 minutes, yes you heard it right, within 5 minutes we can create this beautiful effects which you can use in any kind of videos like traveling, trailers, movies, etc. So let's get started. First we have to create a new comp that is 1920 by 1080, frame rate 30 and duration 8 seconds. Hit OK and here is our timeline created. Then we have to create a text layer and write something. Okay, yes. In my case I have written my name and then go to align and align it in the center. Now we have to create a duplicate layer of this layer text. So in this second layer we have to apply CC particle system 2. Drag and drop on it. Now here you can see our particles are generating, but it's within a box. So we have to apply another effect that goes by CC composite on the second layer only. Make sure the CC composite is above the particle system 2. Now you can see the box has disappeared and particles are flowing freely without the box. Now what we have to do is go inside particle system and I will show you each effect one by one. Now what we have to do is go to birth rate, increase it to around 25 to 30, whatever you like. I like 25. Then longevity, I think 2 is okay. Now for position we will animate it later. Comes to the physics and here's the best part. We have to create directional animation for this. For velocity we will keep it to 0.1. For inherent velocity we will not disturb that thing. For gravity we will create minus 0.1. Now here you can see beautiful effects coming out of our particle system. Now you may ask that the particle is not applied on the text. For that we have to come down and in the particle system we will see a source alpha inherit section. We have to click it. We have to check that box. Now what you can see, first we will go here and I forgot to increase the radius. We will increase the radius by around, increase the radius of y, that is the width from top to bottom like this. So we have to cover the whole area of this text. That's why I have increased the radius y. Now comes the best part. We have to animate our particle system. For that we will create, first we have to go to the 0 frame. Then we have to click on the key and on that hit 0 and at the very end we have to click and write 1920, because remember we have created the width and height as 1920 by 1080. That's why we have to hit 1920 to go all the way from here to here. Now you can see our particles are generating beautifully. I think we have to increase the width a little bit more because we are missing this part. So for that we will increase the width to 25. Now it's looking good. Yeah, now it's good. Around 27 is also good. Yeah, now it's good. You can see that it is also covering this part which we are missing. Now if we want, we can increase the birth rate to around 30 to 35 or not more than that. Yeah, 30 is good. Now go to the color section, change the color to whatever color your text is. Mine is white, so that's why I'm going with white. And death color, we will choose a little bit dark gray to make it a little bit more dramatic. As you can see here, hit play. You can see here it's coming out beautifully. You can see it coming out beautifully. Now you might be thinking that, Keshav, the particles are going upward but the text is not disappearing. To make the text disappear with the particles, we have to apply a linear wipe from transitions wipes, right? Linear wipe, and from transition wipes, take this linear wipe and apply it on the first, not the second one, but the first one. After that, you will see the text is disappeared now. You can see it is coming out, but the timing of our particle and our linear wipe is not matched. To do that, we have to erase all the animation from the transition completion. For that, we have to hit on this. To do that, we have to hit on this key and create a new one. So come to the beginning and hit key and set it to 0. After that, go all the way back in the timeline and make it 100. Perfect. Now we can see that the linear wipe is applied, but it is backward applied. To rotate it, what we have to do is come here in the wipe angle and type -270. Now see the magic. So beautifully and effortlessly we have created this beautiful disintegration effects without any plugins. Remember that we can apply it on any of our footages, videos and movies and trailers, etc. And we can also make these kind of effects on any kind of photos, or you can say images, PNGs, JPEGs, whatever you like. So please hit like if you like the video and subscribe to our channel for more fun and interesting tutorials. Thank you.